Hello, YouTube, and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin, and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest, in the beautiful Pacific Northwest today. So welcome to my channel, everybody. And yes, I do live in that Hickville, USA town of Belfair, Washington. So yes, so welcome to my channel. This is my July 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative Video number 9. And guys, I am still... oh, so goodness, I am so tired from just everything this last week, the chaos that is football, the first week of football, and then my daughter, her friends, two little twins. Oh my goodness, those two can run circles around me 24 hours a day, and I don't think I could ever recover. Adorable, adorable, but woo, baby, those guys are... yeah, they just show you just how old you really are. that is for the youngins, because oh my goodness, you're standing here, one goes this way, and not just goes, one runs that way and one runs the other way. They're very fun. So let's get a look at this kit. This kit is called Sweeter With You, July 2025's kit. Now this kit, I'm going to tell you probably every video. I'm sorry if you get tired of hearing it. This kit is, of course, a little different. You get to make 8 cards instead of 9, but you get 4 designs instead of 3. And all the envelopes are the same. So you get to make 2 of this one, 2 of this one, 2 of this one, 2 of this one, and all envelopes are the same. On the back, as always, this QR code would lead you to a video that would show how to put these cards together as they are designed. There is a visual of everything in the kit. This is a typo, as it says supplies for 9 cards and 9 envelopes. That is incorrect. There are supplies for 8 cards and 8 envelopes. Down here it lists as coordinating colors. Videos 1 through 5. You bet you I show you everything that comes in the kit. After that, we just kind of go mosey along, and Hank has been going full out for football. I'm very, very, very proud of him lately. Took him to the gym today for a couple hours. He went to the gym, he went to the pool. That's Tia trying to breathe over there. This QR code would lead you to this set of 9 dies called Circle of Season Dies. And this one, you can make a acorn, a strawberry. There's the leaf, the circle, of course. I'm trying to get to the flower here. And of course, the wonderful hello. And then the stamp set. So we have the hello friend, which in video number 2, I cut it apart. Life is sweeter with you. Thank you. The strawberry top leaf, the 2 flowers, the strawberry, you're the best, and love you lots. And I have used every single one of them. And we're still going to use them today. We're going to use that hello friend on this card and thank you on the inside. I have already determined that. Now I just have to locate said stamp. This thank you, if you don't mind. After my video yesterday, I promptly went in and, oh yes, I crashed. So that was good night. It was good night, goodbye. I'm gone. That was all she wrote. I was out of it. And I woke up at 3:30 this morning, y'all. And I was so utterly exhausted. And those boys, they were up till 2 o'clock. No, excuse me. They were up till 1:30. I was up at 3:30. Those kids were up at 5:45 this morning. Hank had his friend stay the night last night. They had a great time. I took them to my Aunt Carol's gym. We let them swim. They got in the hot tub. They had a great time. They were very, very well behaved. I was very impressed with both of them. They were funny. They were calling dibs in the car, all kinds of stuff. They shared listening, controlling the music. They were just really, really both well-behaved boys. And I was very, very impressed with Hank. I'm going to lose my stamp set if I don't put it away. So let's get started. We're going to take off the hello and friend because I only want hello to begin with. And let me show you what I haven't even gone into anything. That's kind of out of it here. So I'm bringing in those Scalloped Contoyr Dies. Any rectangle dies you have, anything like that, the Stitch So Sweetly dies, those my Aunt Carol has. Gave those to her when I got the Scalloped Contoyr Dies. I'm going to be using the third one counting from the center outwards. I'm also going to be using this envelope backing of the envelope, and there you can see is the die. So let's get, there's the envelope. It's not in order like it should be. So we have, oh, this is my card base. Here we go. Let's start. So the card base is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. So for this card fold, all you need to do is take the front of the card base and fold it back onto itself like so. And I'm going to use that brand new bone folder that the lovely Phyllis sent and score that nicely for us. So now we have this little pull out fun fold for our card base. Just a little variation of a simple card fold. That's all that is. A little simple fun fold. So you can see how the layout is already going to be working. So we have half of one of the card bases. We're going to trim this down in a minute. We have that large scallop piece of vellum from this kit. We're not going to die cut anything at the center. We need it as it is. Here's my Scalloped Contoyr Die, number 3 from the center out. We have 2 strawberries and 1 flower from the kit. So now we can get started. Hopefully I don't mess this up. We are going to go ahead and stamp hello and friend. And you're going to see this is going to be here. This is why this was great to cut apart. I think we will go hello. Well, maybe I'll put, trying to figure out hello friend. I want my flower up here, so I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna get that to work. Poppy Parade is my color ink for today. Let me turn it this way. It's just gonna make it, I think, easier. I'm gonna leave a little space there just so I can get my flower where I want it. Give me a second. I'm just gonna peel that one off. Pick up the friend here and put my friend about there. Voila, I'm going to stick hello back on here just for safekeeping so it doesn't go anywhere. Now that's for the front of my card. Now we're going to stamp. Be careful. This is going to have part of this card base here. So the only place I want to stamp is closest to the center line. So what you can do is you can either, well, we can take a sticky note. But I'm going to bring in a ruler. I'm going to place that right about here. I'm going to bring my sticky note in. And that is going to show me where I cannot stamp outside of the lines. No coloring outside the lines, right? But that's where I'm looking for this. Oh, the thank you. That's what I wanted. And we have You're the Best. And I think I can use the 1 block. We're going to stamp thank you. Open it up. There. And I'm going to turn it over and pick up You're the Best on my same block. You wouldn't know it, but I have tons of blocks. I'm just not getting any more out at the moment. You're the Best. Voila! And we're going to do some little flowers. I'm going to get that Daffodil Delight. Move that bright Poppy Parade color. Now this is the smaller of the 2. I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to do 3. I'm going to be using the little one for on the inside here. 2 and 3. Now I'm going to use the larger one. If I can get it unstuck, that is, for the envelope. So that is done. Check the inside envelope. Life is sweeter with you. We're going to stamp that on the front. So we're going to stamp some flowers. 2, 3. Bring back our Poppy Parade. right here. And we still need another flower. So switch it out again with Daffodil Delight. This is the large one. We're just going to stamp that right there. So envelope's done, card base is done. I'm going to close up this ink pad. The Poppy Parade is far enough away, it's not going to get into anything. All right, now with that being done, we need to cut this down. Let me put my sticky note over there. This is going to go here. That's all good and dandy. And I lost a strawberry in the making somewhere. We'll find it. I'll get another one, and that one hopefully will show itself later. So this piece needs to get cut down to two pieces that are 1 7/8 by 2 I put 2 5/3. That doesn't make any sense, does it? No. All right. I do not know why I was thinking 5. There's the strawberry. There's the flower. Oh my goodness. 2 5/3. 2 3/8 is what it should be. Yes, it should be 2 3/8 right there. So I want 2 pieces. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I told you I was tired, right? There. Now I'm going to cut this to 2 pieces. 1 7/8. Right? By 5 3/8. This piece is going to go right here. See how nice that is? Now this piece is going to be a little bigger than what it needs to be. So let's measure from here to here and make sure it's what it should be. It is 2 1/8, so it's going to be 1 7/8 as well. I just want to double check. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm tired. That leaves me with this nice little strip here, which I can do something with, or I can open it up and I can actually put this right there, which that's what I'm going to do with my extra strip. So let's get these done. And I almost I lost the glue. No, I haven't lost it yet, but it could have been lost. So we are going to glue this down, and then I need to do one more video because Monday I'm off and running again. Yes, the 7th I'll be off and running again as well. It's just kind of how it goes. Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't. Sometimes I feel like I'm running amok right now. And I am. All right, so there's one. This one is next. Nope, we need to go a little bit closer, over a little bit more. Perfect. Now this little piece, why? Because I can, and it's there, and it's not doing any bit of good anywhere else at the moment. So we're just going to add it here. We could add it there. I'm going to put it right here, actually. I kind of like that being carried over on that side. All right, so there is our fold. Now, the vellum, can't put the vellum down until we get this piece secured where we need it, and that is going to be with some tear tape. So right down this side. And I'm thinking now I really should have done a second one of these and put it on the back. I should have, because otherwise, oh, it might work. Let's see what it looks like, and we'll see if it works. I don't know yet. I was thinking I should have had one of these front and back, but I'm not sure right now. I might have to go die cut another one. So get the vellum centered right where you want it. I think that's going to be okay. That's going to work. It's going to hold up. It's going to hold up. It's going to do the job. Two and number 3. Just holding that stickiness so I know exactly where I want this to be. Perfect. Yeah, that's going to work just fine. It's going to work great. All right, so we're going to do our strawberry here. I can center that now. And that was going to go up there. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. A little bit of glue. And our card is all but done here. Yes, I'm not putting any dimensionals on this one. That's on purpose. I just didn't want it any bulkier with the folding back of that. Yes, that's it. And we're going to do some stickily glitter glue because it's been so pretty, right? It just has. It's really just added that little extra to this card. All of these cards, really. So we're just going to, we're going to stickle this whole flower because I messed up. So we're going to make it all. You know what? We're just going to stickily glitter glue the entire strawberries as well. Why? Because I can. And I messed up, so we're just going to roll with it. We're just going to make them glitter and sparkle and shine and all that fun, lovely stuff. Oh, yes. There we go. Now it's sparkly. It's fun. It's bright. So it says, hello, friend. Thank you. You're the best. And that's how I feel about every one of you out there for watching. So, y'all, that's it. Like I said, I have one more to do. Ugh. And then I might have to actually take a nap. And I normally do not do that. But then again, it's late in the day. If I take a nap, then I probably won't go to sleep. So I better just keep myself awake. So you all just keep me awake out there, right? I'm just going to keep playing with this paper pumpkin. That's what I'm going to concentrate on. So thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.